Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are having great days and enjoying the blessings of Ramadan. So let's get start our today's English lesson. Open up your resource pack English portion, page number 19. The negative and positive statements. Worksheet number 3, week 2. Question is, change the following sentences into negative sentences. You have to change the simple statements into the negative statements. First sentence is, I like going to the park. As you know, students, we add the word not with the helping verb. But here there is only a verb like. There is no any helping verb. So we will add here, you may say, I do not like going to the park. I do not like going to the park. This is a negative statement now. Mom is going to cook Chinese tonight. माँ आज रात चाइनीज़ खाना बना रही हैं. The negative statements will be, Mom is not going to cook Chinese tonight. We will add word not with the helping verb is. Sentences number 3. Do you think they are going to win the match? The negative statement is, do you think they are not going to win the match? And put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Question 4. Sentence 4. Are you going to Multan? And the negative statement will be, are you not going to Multan? And question mark. Here's a question B. Change the following into positive sentences. Now we are doing the reverse. That now the negative sentence will be changed into the positive statements, positive sentences. Number 1 is, he does not like to play video games. He likes, we will write here the likes to play video games. Sarah does not know the answer. Sarah knows the answer. We will add S with the verb know. Right? Number 3, he does not like his job. He likes his job. The positive statement will be, he likes his job. Number 4, I do not like to eat fish. And the positive statement is, I like to eat fish. Right? Write all these sentences, positive and negative, on your resource pack book on the page 19. Here is another worksheet. We are going to attempt it. Here is a page number 24. Page number 24. Pick the prepositions. Pick the prepositions. Worksheet number 3. Use the prepositions in the word bank to complete the sentences. Do you know what is prepositions? Prepositions are the words which are used to connect the different nouns, pronouns and phrases in a sentence. Prepositions ऐसे अल्फाज होते हैं जो नाउन, प्रोनाउन और फ्रेजेस को आपस में कनेक्ट करते हैं, उनको जोड़ने के लिए, उनसे रिलेशन बनाने के लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ होते हैं, preposition यूज़ होते हैं. Now let's see how we will use these prepositions in these sentences. There is a word bank with, in, for, from, under, up, down and with. Number 1. The dog was hidden dash the table. कहाँ छुपा हुआ है dog? Under the table. The dog was hidden under the table. Number 2. Raymond climbed dash the tree house. Raymond climbed up the tree house. Climbing up. The book was for Salman. The book was for Salman. 4. My mom walked down the stairs. My mom walked down the stairs. मेरी माँ सीढ़ियाँ उतर के नीचे आई. Graciela can't wait for the weekend. Graciela can't wait for the weekend. Number 6. We walked home from the store. हम स्टोर से चल के घर आए. Number 7, Marlon was the only one in the park. Marlon सिर्फ वाहिद Marlon ही था जो पार्क में रह गया था. Marlon was the only one in the park. Number 8, I went to the beach with my sister. मैं बीच पर अपनी सिस्टर के साथ गई या गया. So dear students, this is all the today's lesson. You have to put and fill these blanks with the proper prepositions as I told you in this lesson. Fill these all the blanks in your resource pack, complete it, and let me watch your pictures. Send me, don't forget to share the pictures of your homework. Do take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.